Hi everyone! Sama kayo sa amin sa Jollibee Kiddie Party ni Sabi and Zach. Let's go! Yung Sabi. Ha?
Nandun na yung gift. Nandun na una yung gifts kesa sa tao.
Sabi, happy birthday! Joke lang. Sino may birthday tree, Sabi?
Si Ate Mia.
Hindi. Si Sabi at si Zach. Hi everyone.
Gusto niyo po? Parang ayaw nila, mami. Ayaw talaga nila. Huli na lang, ayaw nila, daddy. Okay, sino po ba dito yung may gustong sumayaw si mami and daddy? Parang dumami sila, mami and daddy. Okay, dahil nakalizak na alam mong namanan nila sa'yo.
Okay. Beautiful.
Okay, yung namanan daw po nilang dalawa is being a good looking. Okay, si mami naman, ano mo yung sa tingin nyo, nakatangian po nilang dalawa na alam mong namanan nila sa'yo.
Responsible and cheerful.
Oh, responsible and cheerful. Zach, what do you want to say to your mommy and daddy for giving you this Jollibee Kiddie Party?
I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
I think napaka-sweet naman ng mga batang to. Ma'am, you may go back your seat. Thank you so much. Okay, Jake, you stay here, baby. Okay. Ito yung pinakamabagal. Okay, sige, ready? Go, ma'am. Slower. Blake, you may go back your seat. Okay, Mami C ka po dito mag-isa. Ito po yung pinakamabilis at ikaw po yung gagawa. Okay, ready? Let's go. Yung mas mababa po, ha? Ay, palakpakan mo. Thank you so much. Palakpakan, syempre po, yung mga nagsayaw, syempre get your prize and get your loot bag. Thank you so much. But don't worry, sa mga wala pang loot bag, syempre, warm up lang po yun. But this time, bago po kayo dumating, meron po kaming binigyan.
Wow!
Activity book and pencil.
What will you say to Jollibee?
Boys the best.
Thank you, Jollibee.
Bibigyan natin kay Sabi kasi wala namang aga.
Sabi! Back to eating.
Favorite.
Carl, get excited ka.
My best friend Jollibee!
Wale.
Alright, my best friend Jollibee! Meet our birthday celebrants, Zach and Sabi.
Doon na nga ang ulang labas lahat ng ibig sumasayaw sa tuwa kanya ang piling dito tayo delicious ang tawa sa Jollibee na tayo delicious sa saya sa Jollibee na tayo wala nang iba sa Jollibee dito ang saya dito lang tayo idol dito lahat pinagsamang sayang sarap sige na sayo na labas lahat ng liris sasayaw sa tuwa tingnan ang piling sa bawat tila ang saya tayo dito tayo delicious ang tawa sa Jollibee na tayo delicious ang saya sa Jollibee na tayo wala nang iba sa Jollibee dito ang saya.
Siyempre, let's proceed to the first sarili part of this event, the candle going. And of course, may I call on Sabi and Zach to please come in front together with Mommy and Daddy.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright, sing!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Louder.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, everyone, yung mas mabilis at mas masaya. 3, 2, 1. Alright, happy birthday, Sabi and Zach. Pero bago i-blow ang candle nyo, syempre, Mommy and Daddy, make a birthday wish po muna. Syempre, may uunahin po muna ako. Of course, si Grandma and Grandpa.
Birthday week to remain always healthy.
Alright, palakpakan nyo naman si Grandpa. Grandma, ito kasi pangalawa na kasi nung nakita si Mami nung tama ako man. Oo. Yung sister niya. Sister, hindi yung anak niya po nag-birthday dito. Okay, ano po yung gusto niyo pong sabihin or wish niyo po kay Sabi and Zach?
For Sabi and Zach, I wish you to become healthy, happy, wise, and good Christians. That's it.
Alright, thank you so much. And of course, syempre, hindi mawawala or hindi makukompleto yung birthday wish mo kung wala ang birthday wish ni Blake. Blake, what is your birthday wish for Sabi and Zach? Thank you so much. Okay, one more.
My birthday wish for Sabi and Zach is for having good for somewhere. Where they go. That's it.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jason. Of course, syempre, Mommy and Daddy. Ayan. Ano po yung birthday wish niyo po para kay Zach? At
I pray that you continue to know Jesus more and more, and you follow Him and love Him for the rest of your life. Yeah, that's my prayer for you and for Sabi and Zach.
alright. How about Mommy?
Well, my prayer is for them to walk in the path of righteousness and trust and obey the Lord always for the rest of their lives.
Alright, thank you so much po. And of course, that's lang po yung sabi ni Mami. Hindi, ano po yung birthday wish niyo po sa dalawang kapo niyo?
I wish Savi and Zach to be Christ-centered children and follow Jesus all the way your life.
Alright, thank you so much, Grandma. And of course, syempre, Sabi and Zach, blow your candles in 3, 2, 1! Yay! Happy birthday, Sabi and Zach! And of course, syempre, hindi lang naman sila yung may birthday wish para sa inyong dalawa. Of course, our best friend Jollibee also have a birthday wish para po sa inyong dalawa. Okay, Jollibee, 4 wishes ba? 4 wishes. Okay. Jollibee, sige, simulan na natin yan for the first wish. Sana si Sabi and Zach ay batang lumaking, ano? Syempre, pogit maganda. And, syempre, sexy. At, flawless. At, strong. Katulad ni Mommy and Daddy. At syempre si Zach dapat may, may abs katulad ni Daddy. Ilan dapat ang abs? One lang eh. Wala na. Okay, Jollibee, for your second wish, ay si Zabi ay Zach ay batang lumaki. Down to earth. At, maging mapera at mapagbigay sa lahat. Dami Paano yan? Talaga, Jollibee Okay, for the third wish, Jollibee, sana si Zach and Sabi ay batang lumaki. Maging madalas God bearing. And, may takot sa Diyos. Talaga nanginginig ka pa. Kaya ba may takot ka sa Diyos, Jollibee? Meron. Talaga. Ano yun? Okay, Jollibee, for your last wish, syempre, sana siya, Zach and Zabi ay batang lumaki. Always be happy and be katulad ni Jollibee. At ni Blake. Talaga. Kailan talaga birthday ni Blake? Gusto maging celebrant to eh. Sino yung magulang talaga nito? Kailan po birthday nito?
November.
November! Malapit na, Blake. Online na lang tayo, madali na yun. Ang dami na naman yung paliwanag talaga. Okay, sige. Thank you so much, Blake. Happy talaga ni Blake, no? Okay, thank you so much. Panahin ko na muna si Mami. Ay, isa na lang. Sige.
Thank you all for coming and we're so blessed to have you here with us. And mamimiss namin kayo lahat. We'll see you when we get back.
Ay, sige po. Daddy, additional po.
Sobrang na-appreciate namin that, all of you really came in to celebrate Sabi and Zach's birthday. So, we're really thankful to God, for family and friends like you. So, thank you.
Thank you so much for the first Zach. Okay. What do you want to say for all the guests, okay?
Thank you everyone for coming.
Alright, and Zabi.
Thank you everyone for coming.
Alright, thank you so much po. And of course, syempre po, kung si Zabi and Zach ay nagdi-thank you, tsaka si Mommy, Daddy. Of course, in behalf of Jollibee Annapolis, we would like to thank all of you guys for choosing us to be part of this wonderful celebration. Once again, my name is Rob, together with Kubadi, Ate Ara, Ate Mikay, and Jollibee. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita. Bye everyone! Thank you so much for coming. And once again, happy birthday, Sabi and Zach!
So, Kamusta naman ang Jollibee party?
Unexpectedly, I was so entertained.
Yes, thanks to
Jollibee! Bida
Saya!
Ads pala eh.
Oh, about you, Zach, how's your party? What can you say about your party?
I say to my party, it is good with Jollibee because I eat apples, but I eat Ate Maan, and Ate Maan and Ate Trisabi is Makulit, and then I eat Mama Mia,
So you ate a lot.
and then I have a birthday cake, but blah blah blah. I have to my face. I have to balloon my face again. Boy.
Sabi, what can you say about your birthday?
I enjoyed it, and it was the best day ever when we are here in the Philippines now.
Yay! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.